Do you love fashion, and have you always wanted to learn how to illustrate your favorite looks? Maybe you've admired fashion illustrations from afar, but want to get creative and dream up designs of your own. If you're excited to start creating your very own fashion illustrations, but don't know where or how to get started, this online class was made especially for you.
My name's Joanna, and I'm an illustrator and small business owner living in New York City. I've been drawing for as long as I can remember and pursued art in college, graduating with a studio art degree from Washington College in Maryland and a fashion design degree from Parsons in New York City.
I've previously worked as a designer for major fashion retailers and have illustrated for clients in the fashion and beauty industries since launching my illustration business in January of 2015. Over the years, I've honed my craft and developed my personal illustration style through lots of trial and error, and now I'm ready to share what I've learned to help you cut through the frustration and get sketching what you love. In this class, we'll cover how to find inspiration and gather the right materials. You'll learn how to sketch a basic fashion runway figure and utilize the various marker techniques to render multiple patterns and textures. We'll also go over how to illustrate fashion details like faces, hair, and difficult to draw hands and feet. We'll break through that frustrating ugly phase together and land on the other side where you feel confident enough to keep practicing and working towards developing your own illustration style. And as an added bonus, I'll share my very first fashion illustrations with you so you can see where I started out and how my work has progressed over time. While everyone loves a good time-lapse video, it's often too hard to follow along and really understand the decisions the artist is making throughout the creative process. For that reason, all the videos in this class are presented in real time. In addition to over 5 hours of easy-to-follow HD video lessons and demos, you'll receive 12 bonus printable downloads, including 7 worksheets with step-by-step instructions on how to sketch and render various marker techniques, fashion patterns, textures, skin tones, and hair colors. You'll also receive multiple fashion croquis reference sheets to help with proportions and balance. There's even a cheat sheet with pre-drawn examples of different hand and feet positions for you to reference while you sketch. In addition, you'll receive a shoppable PDF with suggested materials needed for class and a Copic marker buying guide to help you build your marker collection and see exactly which colors I use the most in my illustrations. We'll focus on women's fashion in this class, but the marker rendering techniques you'll learn throughout the lessons can be applied to menswear and children's clothes, as well as fashion accessories and even home decor. This course was created with beginners in mind, but it's also helpful for those with basic drawing skills interested in expanding their repertoire, or fashion design students looking to strengthen their portfolios. Maybe you've tried fashion illustration before and gotten discouraged, or you purchased some markers but are having trouble creating the desired effects. This class will help you build a basic fashion illustration foundation and a better understanding of what marker techniques work best so you can take your work to the next level without the frustration of figuring it out on your own. We'll make mistakes together, and I'll walk you through how to fix them so you have a better understanding of what makes an illustration work. Whether you're a budding artist looking to start a new hobby or an aspiring illustrator contemplating a new career path, this is the perfect place to begin.
So if you're ready to create your very own fashion illustrations, click the Enroll button below and let's get started.